Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Notion University. First, let's get your workspace ready. Begin by creating a new Notion account or logging into an existing one. You'll want to establish a dedicated space for your academic life, perhaps naming it University Hub or Student Dashboard. This initial setup is crucial for organizing all your courses, notes, and assignments efficiently from day one. Think of it as building the foundation for your entire academic journey within Notion, ensuring everything has its proper place. Now, let's dive into organizing your academic content. For each course, create a dedicated page where you can store all your lecture notes, readings, and supplementary materials. Utilize Notion's powerful database features to tag notes by topic, date, or even professor, making retrieval incredibly simple. You can embed PDFs, web links, and even videos directly into your pages, centralizing all your resources. This systematic approach ensures you can quickly find any piece of information you need, saving valuable study time. Next, let's tackle task and project management to stay on top of your workload. Create a master assignments database where you can list all your tasks, projects, and exams. Link this database to your course pages for easy access and context. Use properties like due dates, status, and priority to filter and sort your tasks effectively. Setting up reminders and notifications will help you meet every deadline, ensuring you never miss an important submission. This system provides a clear overview of your academic responsibilities. Finally, let's explore how to enhance your Notion University experience with advanced features. Notion offers a vast gallery of pre-built templates, including study planners, research trackers, and reading lists, which you can customize to fit your specific needs. Learn to create your own templates for recurring tasks or notes, saving you time and ensuring consistency. Consider integrating Notion with other tools or using simple automations to streamline workflows, making your academic life even more efficient and organized. This customization truly makes Notion your personalized learning hub.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.